The first nuclear reactor in the country is not the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant in Morong, Bataan. Actually, it is the Philippine Research Reactor 1. The egg-shaped research reactor located in Quezon City is far older than the BNPP. It began running in 1963 with a 1 megawatt power and was operated for more than 20 years by the Philippine Atomic Energy Commission, which is now known as the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. The establishment of the reactor marked the pioneering steps in the Philippines through a wide spectrum of scientific activities such as fundamental research in nuclear physics, nuclear chemistry and radiobiology, radioisotope production, neutron activation analysis, materials testing, and manpower development. However, the facility has been shut down for more than 30 years since 1988. Without an operating nuclear reactor for 3 decades, local expertise in nuclear science and technology has significantly decreased. Starting 2016, DOSTPH researchers and engineers began establishing the PRR-1 Subcritical Assembly for training, education, and research. PRR-1 SATER will support nuclear science and technology programs in the country and will contribute to a strong foundation for the future of the nuclear program in the Philippines. Let us learn more about this project.
Magandang araw. I am Alvi Astronomo, a DOST Associate Scientist working at PNRI. I am the current leader of the IAEA and DOST-supported project, Establishment of the PRR-1 Subcritical Assembly for Training, Education, and Research, or PRR-1 SATER. The PRR-1 SATER project is supported by the International Atomic Energy Agency through a technical cooperation project and the Department of Science and Technology through a GIA funding. Ang goal ng PRR-1 SATER project ay makapagsimula ng isang nuclear facility na inherently safe at maaaring magamit para mag-build ng local capability on nuclear science and technology. As a facility, PRR-1 SATER has 5 main objectives. The first objective is to support nuclear manpower development. The second objective is to accommodate local access to an operating nuclear facility. The third objective is to train reactor operators, users, and regulators. The fourth objective is to engage stakeholders in nuclear and reactor engineering. And the fifth objective is to repurpose resources of the historical PRR-1 facility. Ang huling objective ay unique sa PRR-1 SATER dahil layunin ng project team na i-optimize ang mga existing resources ng PRR-1 facility. Pinakauna na dito ang mga nuclear triga fuel na more than 30 years nang nakatabi at maintained sa facility. Kasama na dito ang pag-rehabilitate ng PRR-1 buildings and structures. Sa tulong ng ating mga funding agencies at sa patuloy na pagsisikap ng project team, inaasahan na ang PRR-1 SATER ay maaari nang maging operational by 2022. With PRR-1 SATER, we can strengthen local capacity in nuclear and reactor physics. Maipapakita natin ang capabilities ng ating local engineers at researchers na mag-construct, operate, and maintain ng isang subcritical nuclear facility na maaari pang patuloy na i-develop for larger nuclear facilities.